that title again this week against Donald Bitdon. Aric Royal out here as well. And it's a 2-on-1 situation. And this doesn't look good for the champion walking into this battle.
There you go, just like half this country right here. You already got things figured out before you get the facts. He's out here.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, escorted by the Ace God, Aric Royal, weighing 301 pounds from Las Vegas, Nevada, Donald J. Bitdon. And his opponent, weighing 265 pounds from Wise, Virginia, RT3.
SOM title on the line here between Donald Bitdon and RT3.
Yes, this is
Willie Manis will be in charge of this action.
He better do it. He better call it right down the middle, too. He don't know how to Justin Klein after him.
Yeah, Justin Klein stacking the deck, if you will. Aric Royal out here in the corner of the challenger, Donald J. Bitdon. And the match is underway. Heavyweight title on the line.
Listen to these. This crowd is driving me nuts today. They're about to make me mad than they already have.
If there's one thing that RT3 is accustomed to, and that's overcoming the odds, he's going to have to overcome them this week. As Donald Bitdon looks to reach the top, the pinnacle of 505 and become champion. As we start off with a lockup here for the heavyweight championship of SOM. Bitdon will have the size advantage, but boy, RT3 definitely has the momentum. He's been on fire. He's been picking up wins.
It's like two bulls tangled up in a rodeo ran.
Look at him walking around the ring here, locking up here. You see him here just aggressive with the lockup.
And this is definitely going to be one of the most equal matches you've ever seen in your stinking life. These two big men right here.
And now you see the second already in the way. You see him right there, Aric Royal, getting involved as they lock up once again at collar and elbow. Stalemate here. Oh, look at Aric Roy here. Takes him back. He's going to have to use every ounce of strength here to outwit and to outstrength Donald Bitdon. And now a test of strength here.
Show him what you got, Bitdon. Show it, baby.
And look at this. Look at the height advantage here. Donald Bitdon has got it all.
Yes, sir.
Size, power, strength, money, investments, knowledge.
Money's
But
the main thing, baby.
can he capture the title?
Money gets you everywhere.
Boy, RT3 saying no, sir. He said, not in my town, baby. Oh, look out, Bitdon getting hung up here. Hammerlock.
Gotta be really
Quickly to the ropes goes Donald J. Bitdon. Oh, watch out for Aric Royal.
What?
Willie Manis needs to throw him out of here.
Why is Willie picking on him out
He
there?
needs to get him out of here right now.
He's done a thing. Somebody's got to mind his business. He's
Throw
coaching.
him out of here.
He's coaching Bitdon. He's
Title match should be one-on-one.
He's just like Nick Saban of coach. He's coaching Bitdon's whole
Royal is no
championship.
manager. Nice fireman's carry takeover there. Boy, and Bitdon, he's getting out wrestled here. Boy, he's trying to cinch up. Grabs a waist lock now to RT3.
RT3's in some of the best shape he's been in his life. I will give him that.
Nice elbow by Bitdon. He's going to have to swing the arm.
Comes the experience in the fact right here, baby.
And the strength. Rocking the champion.
Experience and strength right here.
Takes him off.
No.
Oh, he went for the boots. Oh, Bitdon gets out of gets out of there in a hurry.
Bitdon, better part of Valor right now. He got to get out and get some
Champion's got the challenger reeling here.
See, that's the reason the man's here. He's not here to cheat nobody out of the match. He's here to give him some incentive.
Oh, look out. He's going to bring him in. Oh, no. As Bitdon takes advantage here, going to pull him out on the floor. And now the battle continues on the outside.
Come on, Bitdon.
Now we're here in front of us here. This is not a good position for us to be in. Now you're going to toss him back into the ring.
Like I said, he out there doing him mind his own business.
Oh, and he runs RT3 into the post. Aric Royal paying dividends here.
RT3 just threatened him. Did you see that? He threatened him, so he just...
That's why the man needs to be tossed out of here. Oh, Bitdon's got the champion down in their fall.
No.
Boy, Roy slapped that post really hard in his shoulder.
Oh, I was hoping for a new champion right there.
That shoulder did not win that battle. Boy, Bitdon drops those 300-plus pounds across the shoulder of RT3. And you see the anguish on the face of the champion. And now you know you gotta begin to worry if you're RT3. You're injured. You're outnumbered. You're in the ring with a bigger man. Your title's on the line. How much can you overcome?
The experience has came to the top, baby. 36 to show you why he should be the next SOM World Heavyweight Champion.
Boy, Donald Bitdon wouldn't be quiet or shut up for days. Watch out. Oh, you're gonna... Oh, God. He hit hard. Hard on the floor, and he may be out. Oh, and right to the... As Aric Royal off the apron. That was a nasty landing. And Aric Royal, he's going to have to get him out of here.
Time for it's over.
Nasty fall for the champion. Aric Royal needs to be tossed out of here. And now you see he's manhandling the referee.
Yeah, Willie Pitchett.
Oh, come on. It's been 2-on-1 this whole match.
Willie, get out of his face. He ain't doing nothing. What are you getting up? How you going to throw him out for? He ain't doing nothing.
Bitdon, lateral press.
There it is.
Legs are hooked.
No.
And the titles are nearly changed hands. Aric Royal shouting, stay on top of him.
Yes.
Boy, RT3, oh, and a big left jab right there from Aric Royal.
Oh, it's just a matter of time, baby. I can see it. I can smell it.
This is a travesty right here.
I'm loving it. This is it.
Cover.
God.
Bitdon for the 2.
What? Don't let him breathe. That's all you can do.
Looks to cruise to the heavyweight title here this week.
I'm surprised he survived hitting the floor as hard as he did earlier. Good.
That was a hard fall, absolutely.
Looks like it landed on his noggin there.
Boy, Bitdon now, as he's loosening up now. RT3 trying to fight back. Atomic drop.
Oh, my butt. Oh,
down he goes. And RT3 from out of nowhere.
Where'd this come from?
Getting a second wind here. Oh, he picks him up. He's got him
up.
No
way. No. No way.
You gonna launch him?
No.
Yes, he does. Bitdon in trouble. Royal on the apron. Royal is, he's down. He's down.
What did he do?
And now RT3 has turned the tables.
What happened? He shouldn't have messed with him.
Watch out. Bitdon from behind. He's got him. Trying for a pump handle.
No.
RT3.
No. Wow.
Samoa drop.
That's a Samoa drop from hell. Good grief.
Both men are down. That's what he missed.
Come from,
starts that doom 10 count.
Where did this second win come from? Good grief.
Referee up to a 5 here. Oh, he's up. RT3, the champion, says I still got some left in the tank, baby.
No.
He may be sizing you up for the spear. He may eat the spear.
No.